All right, this is winter here in South Dakota, and we are in full-fledged cold and flu season around here. We have lots of people that we've known that have had influenza A and strep, and so today I'm going to show you a 30-second homemade cough syrup in 30 seconds, and that starts now. You're going to want to take 1 teaspoon of raw honey if you can get it. When it's raw, it hasn't been heated to a high temp, so it hasn't killed off all of those good vitamins and minerals and nutrients that are in raw honey. Honey is an antioxidant, and it's also just a natural energy source too. So I'm just going to put some essential oils in there. Frankincense, 1 drop of peppermint, 1 drop of lemon, and 1 drop of orange. That's a little tough to open. And you could just make it as needed, or you can put it in containers. You could double the recipe or triple the recipe or whatever you want to do, and just give a teaspoon per dose. It's just going to coat the throat, and all of those essential oils are going to just do their magic, do their work. So thanks for joining. 30 seconds, and you got it.